Is Pixel 6a worth buying in 2023? Let's check it out. Today I'm going to unbox and show you regarding the Pixel features, its performance in gaming, camera, etc. Let's check it out. Right out of the box, you get the Pixel phone, and inside the box you get Type C to C cable, and you get Type C OTC cable, and you get SIM ejector tool and some module, and there is no charging adapter in it. When it comes to the screen, it comes with 6.1 OLED Full HD display, comes with Corning Gorilla 3 glass, and it's a 60 Hz panel. When it comes to the specifications, it comes with Google Tensor first gen chip. It has only one variant, 6 GB 128 GB ROM, and it supports NFC, and it comes with 4410 mAh battery. On the bottom of the phone you get Type C. There is no headphone jack, and you get dual stereo speakers. On the top you get microphone, on the right side you get power button, below you get volume up and down, and the left side you get SIM tray. So the SIM supports dual 5G, but one we can only insert one physical SIM, and one is the eSIM, so that you need to convert via carrier. And coming to the general performance, the phone is quite smooth even though it's 60 Hz. I couldn't find any major lag. The only thing I found is like there are some animation lag which I can see, as you can see when I go to home. Comes to the video quality, it supports HDR10 in Netflix and other streaming platforms. And here is the sample. You can see the colors are quite bright. Now let's see the performance. So Google has this toggle where you can have do not disturb mode. You can see how much FPS, and you can also record the gameplay. Also you can take the screenshots. Also you can live stream the game. There are a bunch of options given by Google itself. And coming to the gaming performance, as per the graphic settings, you can play smooth, extreme, and HDR ultra. And ultra HD and all will be coming soon, but ultra HD, HDR and ultra. Coming to the gaming performance, there is no lag as such in smooth and extreme. Also in HDR and ultra you can play easily, but only thing is you will find little throttle in the back panel, so that comes with the Pixel phones, as you know. Now comes to the camera part. Backside you get 12.2 MP main camera and 12 MP ultra wide camera, and here are some of the pictures, and you can see the details are quite accurate. And what impressed me most is the portrait. The edge detection is awesome, I would say. And you can, and here is one of the shot where you struggle to blur the whites. This is the typical wide camera, and this is the ultra wide. The colors are quite accurate, and these are some more shots. This is the indoor shot where there is less light. The selfie camera comes with the 8 MP, and here are some of the samples, and it captures up to 1080p 30 fps video, and it crops a bit. So let's see the camera module, camera interface. So you get the panorama, photosphere, and the lens, which is common. And in video you get the ultra wide and 2x zoom. You get the time lapse, slow-mo. So slow-mo you can do until 1/8, and time lapse it suppose until 120x. And in the settings, if you see, there is something called speech enhancement, and the camera supports 4K 60 fps. And what speech enhancement does, if you record any video and you want to reduce the noise, and you can turn this option on, there will be, but it supports only 30 fps. You can't record 60 fps. So that is one feature given by the Google Pixel Cam. When it comes to the camera, you have ultra wide, which is 110 degrees field of view, and you have 2x digital zoom. And these are some of the options. Night sight, top shot. What it does, it's make kind of a gif kind of picture where you can select the best shot out of 10-20 shots it takes. And you have the timer and the regular ratio 4:3 and 16:9. Now comes to the portrait. Portrait, you have 1x and 2x zoom, and this is the night set. Suppose wide angle as well as 2x zoom. So these are the features in the camera interface. Coming to the build quality, you get metallic frame, and on the front you get under display fingerprint sensor, and on the back you get plastic glossy design. And the Android comes with Android 13. This is the Android 13 version out of the box in 2023. And some of the Pixel features, you can convert audio to text, which is inbuilt. This is from the Recorder app. It is quite accurate, and it's quite useful when you are seeing any movie, and you can automatically use as a subtitle. Also, you have this one of the feature called Quick Tap. If you enable this, there are some options which you can choose. It will perform those gestures. So what you need to do, you need to double tap bit hard on the back panel, so it will do the necessary gesture. So here I kept screenshot. I need to double tap hard, as you can see, and it takes the screenshot. So there are a bunch of options you can choose from the quick tap. So this is one of the Pixel feature. And coming on to the another feature is the adaptive charging. So if you as you know, it takes a lot of time to charge, 2 hours. If you charge at night, it charges very slowly, protecting the battery health, so it will take more time to charge. And coming to the battery life, so I got 6 to 7 hours screen on time. And as you can see, PUBG I played for 1 hour, dropped 3%, camera 4K recording and all 20%. So but the heating is quite there, like I can feel 45 for 46 degrees, at least it might have gone. So that's it for this video, guys. This is Pixel 6a in 2023. So I hope you liked the video. So if you want any other video on Pixel 6a, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.